Alright, this is Scott with AAQUICK Plumbing. We're here at 9514 doing repair on this. We're going to go ahead and our 9514 Huron. We'll go ahead and put our camera in here and show you what it looks like. We'll be right back. Alright, so we got our camera pushed out the MSD's line here at the main, here about 34 feet. We're going to go ahead and pull it back, show you what it looks like. It's got a little turn there and it's diving down a little bit in the MSD's line. So all these joints look pretty straight. Everything looks nice and clean. Here we are where repair's been done. So you see it looks pretty good. And here we are. We're gonna go ahead and run towards the house. We'll be back. All right. So here we are at the transition. Is where comes the 4-inch cast iron and the 6-inch clay pipe. Cast iron's a little rusty there at the top, but nothing too bad. It is intact. So it's a little rusted out there at the top, so it shouldn't hurt anything. Go ahead and keep pulling back and show you the rest of this line. Joint there. Here we are at the repair, and yep, here we are in the hole. So everything looks pretty straight, no roots, everything's good to go. So thank you. All right.